Alright, we recording now?
Yeah, we live.
Good?
We live.
Yo, we on? Yo.
Chip.
This isn't like me, but, you know, all for Kelly. It's a Mountain Dew right now. Let's go. Mountain Dew buddy, shout out. Kellogg, shout out. Let's go. Okay, yeah. I said I don't rap much. I don't rap at all, but I'ma tell you all about something tall. It's in a green bottle. Some call it blue. I call it Mountain Dew. I'm here with K. Lou. I already told you that, but that's kinda crack. This music is, that's what I is. Okay? I'm about to hand it off to my boy Sev. Let's get it.
Here, chillin' with the Mountain Dew crew, loving it, the boys. What you drinking? Voltage, Whiteout, LimeWire? I don't care, cause I'm about to hand it off to K. Lou, aka Shake That Bear.
Shake That Bear. Alright, we can make it work. What it do? What it do? It's your boy Kellogg's coming at you. Fuck hope, that shit is a joke. There ain't no time to think, you gotta get a real drink, Mountain Dew. If you don't got that shit, well you better get a clue. Dew Lab, check me out online. The Dark Knight Rises, Dark Berry. When you come in April, March, June, July, it's your time. I can't wait. I need to fucking get that shit so I can drink it and I can feel great. You know I do it every day. I do it for my fans, I do it so I can get laid. Mountain Dew, you get chicks with that shit. I promise, this ain't no lie. Come test that bitch. You know what? You know it. If you drink so much, you'll love it. You'll turn into the Hulk. You go crazy.
Yeah!
You'll make a mess. Disgrace.
Yeah.
I ain't done rapping. This is my time. This is my place. Yo, 20 bottles a day. I make that cash fast so I can chug the bottle full throttle. I'm going hard in the paint. I can't be late. You know what I'm doing? I'm spitting it. I can't be great. Too much. Number one coming at you. Democracy 3. Can I get a yes please? I wanna vote. I wanna choose. I wanna pick that new Mountain Dew for you. I wanna get that shit on the shelf. You need my help. I'll pick the best shit so you can make that money right. Get it tight, yo, get that shit. I wanna see you make that paper Mountain Dew legit. I wanna see you make the flavors that I wanna see. Mountain Dew, pick me, your new employee.
Yeah.
I'm coming in, make your job easier. I make the cash, make the people come in. They wanna test your flavors. Dew Labs, yeah.
Yo, exclusive.
Word.
Dew Labs
It's your boy Kellogg's
2012.
freestyling.
Let's
It's
go.
my boy. It's the Cypher. Yo, shout out to all my Dew Labs members. Shout out to all my supporters, my fans. Shout out to the Mountain Dew crew. We're gonna hit you up with a video next time. Till then, it's your boy Kellogg's, and I'm out. Yo.